here one more time in Javier viewpoint. Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. If you want to know more information about this place, I already made a video. It is available in my channel. Please go and check it out. After we take a quick photo shoot, we left this place. The next place we are going to explore, Dika Picnic Ground. It is a beautiful crystal clear water river. There you can do swimming, cliff diving, photo shoot for your social media, camping and get together party place. It is a beautiful location, 15 km away from this Javier viewpoint, 20 minutes bike ride. Unfortunately, this place was like a hidden gem because in Google Map there is not enough information about this place. Especially the road right now I'm riding, it is not available in Google Map. The Google Map need major update in this area. That is one more reason not many people know about this place. Either way, we are going to explore this beautiful place upside down today. You won't believe it. I don't know how much you can hear me. It's too much windy and cold. Seriously, there's a nice view over there. Beautiful view. Right now, 7:30 in the morning, we are in Dikapanikian, Dingalan, Aurora. I think there is a nice river over there. We are going to have a camping. The entrance fee 50 pesos, and for the cottage you need to pay 1000 pesos per cottage. Today right now is a cloudy day. Maybe later the sun will come out. It will be more better. You have a seer over there. Let's go. You want to take your water? Let's go. You check this one out?
Yes.
Okay. That's all. You take your box with you. Okay. It's quite a nice place. So right there. You're going to do
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir.
You over here.
Yes, sir.
Fortunately, the sun is coming out. It's getting much better light. Let's check it out the place. Jeez. It's beautiful. The water was crystal clear, as you can see there. Seriously crystal clear. Wow. Look at it. Look at it. Be more careful. Seriously. Stop it. exploring a little bit more, better. Wow, seriously, very good spot. Wow, that's beautiful. Seriously. Love it. Hello. Yeah. Cleaning is going on. Team song cleaning the fish.
Yeah.
Ay, putang ino. Nakakabot ko rin sa taas.
Malamig to!
Bakit pa pare, para tingin.
Okay lang. Okay. Video, whatever you want to do, ask you. My first dip in the water right now is like 9:40. Still the sun haven't come out. I don't think so today the sun will come out. The water is super cold right now. Super cold. Super cold right now. Wow. Wow.
Oh, slow mo, maganda yung water.
It's okay, it's okay. Okay, it's not bad. We're almost there. I couldn't see how deep it is. I'm going to jump and there. Okay?
Oy, magaling. Nice, Papi! Oh, no, 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 no.
No, not there.
Oh, not there.
Matay ka na, matay!
Okay?
Matay ka ngayon!
Ay, marunong!
Matay ka ngayon!
Gilas, sumisin pa tulikod.
Ready, ready, one, one, two, time! Sunod, sunod!
If you like this video so far, please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you.
Balikin mo dyan ah.
Dapat na ba tayo? Ay, dito.
Sila ano?
Yung mga ano
Hoy, kayo!
na doon.
Please don't look
Oy!
Okay.
Ayaw mo nga, ayaw mo magsibuhan.
Ay,
Ayaw na mo sila?
Why not some people are over there? Become like a two group already over here. They already start the party. It's gonna be a hard party right now.
One round, one round.
Very good guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I see you guys in next video soon. Thank you.